pretty excited about this one. You should be too. So some of you may know that I already did an unboxing video on Gold Skull's Pro Head Shaver. They sent me their gold-plated one. Now, that's all fine and dandy, but there's something else they sent, and something that's very exciting. 6 blades. Let's see how this goes. So right out of the box we have the main unit itself, and like the previous one that I've done, it actually does have a charge already, which is nice. You can just take this out and go to town with it. In the kit we also have a nice little body trimmer here for it. We have the nose hair trimmer. A rubber brush. We have a beard trimmer. And a bristle brush. We also get this nice little pouch travel case, a guard for the 5-blade attachment, a charging cable, a brush, and different guard sizes for beard trimming. And just so you know, it all does fit in the bag. And separately, all by itself, as it should be, the 6 rotary head blade. You do not have to buy a whole new one of these. This pops off, that side, this clips on. You're good to go. All you have to do is buy this. And yes, it is that easy. You can't get any better than that. I mean, I just want to say I used to be skeptical of electric head shavers. And that's because I had a really bad experience with one. And I always just assumed that's just the way it was, and that's just their design. Until I tried Gold Skull's Pro Shavers. They changed my mind. They have a valid place in anyone's head shaving routine. Stay tuned because I will be doing a video about this new 6-blade in use and before and after pictures, how to use it, the whole work through. So stay tuned for that, and until the next time.